The sun was setting over a quiet green meadow beside a deep forest. 3 cows lived there together, one black, one white, and one brown. They were more than friends. They were family. Every morning they grazed side by side, walked together through the fields, and rested close to one another at night. No matter what happened, they never left anyone behind. But not far away, danger was watching them. One evening, a starving lion wandered out of the forest. His ribs showed through his skin, and his eyes burned with hunger. The moment he saw the 3 healthy cows, his mouth watered. The lion crouched behind a stone, waiting patiently for one cow to separate from the others. But day after day, the cows stayed united. Whenever the lion tried to come closer, the 3 stood shoulder to shoulder, forcing him to retreat. Days turned into weeks, and the lion grew angry. "As long as they stay together, I can never defeat them," he growled. "If I want to eat them, I must first destroy their friendship." The next morning, the lion walked toward them with a fake smile stretched across his face. "Greetings, my dear friends," he said softly. "I came only to admire such beautiful creatures." The black cow and the white cow immediately stepped back. They sensed danger in his voice. But the brown cow was gentle and trusting. She smiled warmly. "Thank you, lion. You seem kinder than others say." The lion's eyes glimmered. His trap had begun. Over the next few days, he spoke kindly only to the brown cow. He praised her color, her kindness, and her beauty until she slowly began trusting him completely. Then, one afternoon, the lion whispered, "Have you noticed something? The white cow looks different from us. Her color separates us from the group. If she were gone, we would all finally be the same." The brown cow hesitated. Deep inside, she knew something felt wrong, but the lion's words poisoned her thoughts. At last, she nodded foolishly. That evening, while the brown cow distracted the others, the lion attacked the white cow and killed her. The meadow became quieter after that. The black cow cried through the night, but the brown cow kept telling herself, maybe this was for the best. A few days later, the lion returned. This time, he spoke even gentler. "Now only you and the black cow remain. But look at her. She is different from us too. Why keep someone who does not belong? Once she is gone, we can live peacefully together." The brown cow lowered her head. Fear and selfishness had already clouded her heart. Once again, she agreed. And once again, the lion attacked. The black cow fought bravely, but alone she stood no chance. Soon she too lay lifeless on the grass. Now the brown cow was the only one left in the meadow. At first she felt proud. She walked around confidently, believing she had gained the lion's friendship. "He would never harm me," she thought. "We are the same." But one cold night, the lion returned once more. This time, there was no smile on his face, only hunger. The brown cow stepped backward, trembling. "Why are you looking at me like that?" she whispered. The lion let out a terrifying roar that shook the entire meadow. "Because today," he growled, "it is your turn." The brown cow's legs collapsed beneath her. "But I trusted you," she cried. "I helped you. I thought we were friends." The lion burst into cruel laughter. "Ha ha! A lion has no friends," he said coldly. "I only used your weakness to destroy your unity." The brown cow finally understood the truth. But it was too late. Before she could escape, the lion leaped forward and devoured her beneath the dark sky. The once peaceful meadow became empty. No laughter, no friendship, no family. Only the echo of a terrible lesson. True strength is never found in power alone. It is found in unity. The three cows were safe as long as they stood together, but the moment distrust and selfishness entered their hearts, they lost everything. The same happens in families, friendships, and communities. Outside enemies are dangerous, but division inside is even more destructive. When people allow jealousy, ego, or misunderstanding to separate them, they become weak without realizing it. A united family can survive storms. United friends can overcome hardship. United hearts can defeat fear itself. So never let anger or pride break the people who truly love you, because the moment unity dies, destruction quietly enters the door. And always remember, where there is unity, there is victory. If this story touched you, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And don't forget to subscribe. Stay connected to Tale Zone for more powerful lessons like this. Until next time, stay patient, stay grateful, and keep moving forward. Thank you for listening.